So to start it off, my name is Henry. I am a South African. I am starting this channel for the fact that I can possibly share some information with the rest of you creatives who are trying to build up your brand and build up what you do. You know, it's difficult to always go through the internet to try and find what you're looking for. In this video, what I'm going to tell you is these are the people who have inspired me the most, and I've learned the absolute most from them on YouTube specifically. The people I've been watching and studying and taking a look at is Peter McKinnon, because he's huge. He has 4.9 million subscribers and he knows exactly what he's doing as a cinematographer and a photographer basically. He has let most of the world, you know, feed off of his knowledge because he's created these different tutorials and he's given people the tools to build up their own brand as photographers and filmmakers. The other people I would like to mention as well is Mr. Alex Tech, who has been a huge help because he has given me every kind of Davinci tutorial I've ever looked for, and he has helped me to put together a lot of amazing shots like this different little B-roll sequence you see with me and my friend Dino. We shot a small B-roll of his car and it looks a little something like this. So those glitch transitions I got from a tutorial which Mr. Alex Tech put out so that you could learn how to do these things yourself through Davinci Resolve. Now he has a couple of different tutorials on glitch effects. He actually has links in terms of where you can download different glitch overlays and things like that. So give his page some love, go take a look, because his page focuses on Davinci Resolve, which is a free software, and it allows you to do so much as an editor and a color grading suite, which is amazing to think that it's actually free. There's very little companies who are still releasing free software that you can use that is as powerful as that is, kind of thing. And I really like using Davinci because I was taught using Davinci. I did go to film school for a short while, but it really helps to know the program that you're using, and Mr. Alex Tech breaks it down in really simple terms. He also offers you like free transitions, different packs and LUTs and things that you can buy off of his website, but it's really amazing to see that there's somebody who is willing to give away so much knowledge about a type of software or the art form that is editing and color grading. The other person I follow as well is Rich Photography. The reason I follow him is because he makes amazing content, but he also puts together a video which I really do believe that all South Africans need to watch, because it explains how a YouTuber in South Africa can earn money. And it was really eye-opening to see what his metrics look like, because he shared his analytics details with everyone. He didn't keep them to himself. He did also explain that some videos are older videos that are pulling, you know, different views and could be generating income, but he takes that out of the equation to give you a rough idea of how much per month a YouTuber from South Africa could be earning directly from YouTube themselves. The other person is Maddie Hapoya. Now Maddie Hapoya and Peter McKinnon are really good friends, but Maddie's footage is always so cinematic to watch. So if you're ever looking for inspiration or just somebody who can teach you a lot about lighting and different things, I think Maddie is the go-to guy for this, because he breaks it down in really simple terms for you, but his videos always just look great. And I love watching his stuff to get more inspiration for my own lighting and how to shoot certain sequences. As a South African YouTuber, you need to know how to vlog. And I think the king of vlogging at this stage has to be Casey Neistat. Although he is an American YouTuber and he has been to South Africa and works with a South African in his team, the main thing to understand is that Casey built up his channel from straight daily vlogs, but he's built an entire business out of his vlogs. So it's worth watching to see where he came from and where he is now. If anyone is ever looking for inspiration, watch the Do What You Can't video that Casey posted on his YouTube channel. I'll link it in the description below. You have to watch that video because it is probably the most inspirational, hands down, best little bit of information I've ever gotten from anybody on the internet ever. So guys, that's just the short video of what I'd like to talk about. So I'll be making my playlists on my channel public, and the reason for that is because of the fact that I have put together different playlists that talk about brand building, that talk about filmmaking tips, that talk about vlogging, basically it'll be an all-in-one resource for people who aren't looking to go searching for different things on YouTube and stumbling through 50 different videos to find something that is worth watching. I believe that these playlists could help a lot of creators because this is my reference guide, basically like a video library that I can go to and check everything I've ever wanted to check out. So check it out, it's in the description. You can head over to my channel as well, like and subscribe if you want to see more, and then shout out to all the fellow creators in South Africa. Hope to meet all of you soon.